What's the meaning of bent? Bent. Bent.
Bent. Bent. The word bent has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common definition refers to something being physically angled or curved, such as a bent branch or a bent knee. In a figurative sense, bent can also refer to someone's inclination or tendency towards a particular way of thinking or behaving. For example, someone might have a natural bent towards creative expression, or a criminal might have a bent for deception and fraud. Additionally, bent can also be used as a slang term to describe someone who is intoxicated or under the influence of drugs.